I went to my usual Cars and Coffee out in Damascus on Saturday and saw a really unique car. But before we look at it, I just want to refresh your memory with a little blast from the past.
Knight Rider, a shadowy flight into the dangerous world of a man who does not exist.
So I got talking to the owner of this thing. Apparently he built it out of like 3 or 4 other cars.
Yeah, man, can see it.
But it's got the custom front end on it. All the bodywork matches, the paint matches.
I was going for you already, so.
It obviously drew quite a crowd. The interior was incredible. That's a fiberglass dashboard replacement and steering wheel from Italy. All those buttons and displays work, including the 2 small TV screens on the right. Just a really incredible car.